Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business. Welcome everybody to today's tip. You know, recently I was in Toyota's OEM repair procedures, which is called TIS. And when I was in their OEM repair procedures, I ran across a document that's called a QTG, or Quick Training Guide, on the steps to refinish a raw bumper. And what I did is I started reviewing this document, and I noticed that step 7 stated that you needed to remove static. So I was like, wow. Now let's talk a little bit about static, right? Anytime we have air movement over top of a panel that's to be painted, whether it's metal or plastic, or anytime we go to wipe it with like a rag or a tack rag or a pre-cleaning rag, you know, that's going to create friction that creates static. Now, static has a negative impact on the refinishing process. Static can actually cause your metallics to shift or move, thus creating a lighter or darker effect. And static also will attract, you know, dust particles, which create dirt nibs that we have to sand out. So there's really two options for you. Number one is you can use like a pre-cleaner or an anti-static wipe to remove the static from a panel. Number two is that you can actually utilize something that's called a stat gun, which actually takes and sends a positive negative charge to separate the molecule to remove the static. It absolutely removes the static, not reduces the static, it removes it. So what I did is I started thinking about this. I started doing searching in other OEM manufacturers' repair procedures, and I found 4 different OEMs that all said you needed to remove static as part of the paint process. So I was like, wow, I wonder if that's included in the labor time. So what did I do? I reached out to Danny. Danny, what did we find out?
It's a great point, Mike, and this is all something new to us as well. So we got an inquiry submitted to all 3 information providers, and they all came back and said the use of a stat gun tool to remove static is not included. We'll provide the links in the description box below. So again, it's a not included operation.
So whether you're using an anti-static wipe or you're going to use something like this device here, the ProStat gun, the removal of static is a not included operation. So listen, I learned something so new. I hope you did too. Make it a great day.
If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.